What at first appears to be a fearsome attack is actually just a bit of rough and tumble. And for friends Abdullah Shulay and Bengal tiger Mulan, it's an everyday occurrence.
Abdullah Shulay from Malang, Indonesia, has a unique relationship with a 27-stone tiger. He has helped raise Mulan ever since she was 3 months old. The pair are so close that they hug, kiss and even play fight, but sometimes Mulan can get carried away.
Karena dia setiap setiap saat nalurinya selalu berubah-ubah dan tidak pernah menentu. Dan itu adalah bagian yang menantang bagi saya untuk supaya tahu sebenarnya binatang buas itu bagaimana dan apa yang harus saya lakukan untuk menghadapinya. Hari ini saya kena gigit, mata saya sampai berlubang. Tapi kami bersyukur karena dalam jangka waktu yang dekat. Masalahnya, walaupun terjadi kecelakaan, itu sebenarnya bukan kesengajaan dari binatang itu. Tapi memang ukuran dia hanya seperti itu.
Locals call Abdullah the tiger nanny because he cares for Mulan 24 hours a day.
Semenjak dia datang ke sini, dia selalu bersama saya. Selalu, baik siang, malam, selalu bersama saya. Sedangkan tiap hari-harinya dia.
Even though Abdullah prepares fresh meat for Mulan, she loves nothing more than instant noodles. Despite the obvious risks, Abdullah is determined to continue playing with his unique best friend.
In 2008, he was asked to babysit the then 3-month-old tiger cub when his owner was unable to care for him anymore. And since then, the pair have become inseparable, playing together, sleeping together, and even eating together. Play fighting is part of everyday life, but as Mulan has grown to almost 3 meters and weighs 28 stone, it's become much riskier. For Abdullah though, the occasional injury is to be expected, and after all this time together, their friendship is stronger than ever.
Abdullah Shulay from Malang, Indonesia, has a unique relationship with a 27-stone tiger. He has helped raise Mulan ever since she was 3 months old.
Karena dia setiap setiap saat nalurinya selalu berubah-ubah dan tidak pernah menentu. Dan itu adalah bagian yang menantang bagi saya untuk supaya tahu sebenarnya binatang buas itu bagaimana dan apa yang harus saya lakukan untuk menghadapinya. Selalu suka makan apa yang saya makan di kanan, sebenarnya apa saja yang saya makan sebenarnya dia mau cuma mencicipi, kalau mau dia nggak suka ya sudah tinggal, tapi kalau mau dia suka ya dimakan.